If you're already running ad on TikTok, it's important to check if it's performing to know whether to pause it or to continue. This is how to check your ad. So the first thing to do is to open your TikTok, then go to your profile, then these three horizontal lines, click on it, go to your TikTok studio. Now click on your promote icon. Now when you come here, you see create, dashboard and mine. Okay, click on dashboard, the center one. Under here, if you scroll down, you see all the ads you have done. If there's anyone currently running, it will also be there. Okay, I have an active ad. Can you see it up here? So let me click on it. So this is the detail of this ad here. Can you see? I spent 918 naira 13 kobo. Is about 16.2 hours. Okay, now 73 clicks. Can you see the performance of this ad? So you check if your ad is performing. I can as well go to this, that's see more. So it gives me more detail what I selected for my ad. Can you see? Okay, this is the budget, 1,200 naira. Duration is 1 day. Can you see? Goal is more website visits. So this is about this ad. So if you check and your ad is not performing well, you can pause that ad. But I think at the moment this one is performing well. With less than 1,000 naira, I've gotten 73 clicks, and you can see the other impression here: 8 followers, 25 profile view, 110 likes, 3 comments, 1 share. Can you see? So this is how to check if your ad is performing well. If it's not performing well, I'll urge you to pause it and check what the problem might be. Easy to pause it. Just come down here. You can see end promotion. Click on end promotion. Once you click on it, then you click on end promotion and the ad will end. Okay, that's how to pause your ad and start one that will get you the result that you want. Okay, in case you want to know more about TikTok ad, things like targeting specific locations with your TikTok ad or setting up a TikTok ad manager account, get my TikTok ad mastery training.